Hey everyone, William here with Mr. Air Repair. We got some pretty exciting stuff going on today. We're getting ready to go ahead and do our free furnace drawing. You know, this is something that we like to do basically when we have the chance, just to help and give back to the community. We've had a really good 2024 here at Mr. Air Repair, so the best way we find to help out is to give away some free units when we can to somebody in need. You guys are ready? I'll go ahead and get started. All right, take a look here. Let's see. All right, so it looks like our winner is going to be Miss Brenda Bradley. All right, Miss Brenda, we'll be reaching out to you here in the next day or two to go ahead and get everything scheduled. Once again, we really appreciate everybody that entered in and participated. And don't be discouraged if you didn't win, because we have another one going on here soon. So keep a lookout on our Facebook page for updates. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank y'all very much.